Hello all warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to the arena. Today we're gonna unboxing this Yokohama Advan limited edition, and this item number is 92417. So let's open it, see what's inside. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body is clear black. Okay, so there's a clear black, and here's the spoilers, and here is the stickers. All right, and then next we're gonna take a look at the chassis. So it's AR chassis, and the material is ABS. Okay, and this is the parts color red, and then next will be the wheel. So it's narrow and white, and this is I don't know, this like I don't know, it looks like gray to me, and gray plated. Okay, but it's 5-spoke. Okay, so you can see it's 5-spoke wheels. Okay, and next will be the tire. So the tire, you can see one side it has Advan, the lettering for Advan. The other side will be the Yokohama. Okay, and this is the material. This one is super hard. All right, and next will be the gear ratio for this car is 3.5 high-speed gear, and the parts, rest of them are same as the other units, but this one comes with a carbon reinforced pinion gear. All right, so this is everything for this car, and let's see how it looks like after we build it. Okay, so right now we know how it looks like after we build it, and of course for this unit it's really hard to get because this is only available to buy in Japan. So I finally got the way to bring this from Japan and ship to me, and it take about almost a month, and the price for this one is very expensive, I have to say, because that's really expensive. So well, but here I bought it. I'll do the unboxing video for you guys, and also this is gonna become one of my collection. All right, so if you like this video, please hit the like button for me, and I will see you next time.